Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Anda's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious ugu soup. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. To make this delicious ugu soup, I'm going to start by introducing the ingredients. Here I have smoked fish. I'm going to wash the smoked fish with salt water and as well debone the fish. This is cow meat, okay, that is beef. Here I have pomo. So here I have crayfish. I'm going to be grinding this crayfish. So this is cocoyam, okay? So this cocoyam, I'm going to be boiling it. Then I'm going to peel it and pound it. Here is fresh palm oil. Then here I have Uziza leaves. I'm going to be washing and I'm going to shred it as well. And here I have ugu leaves, okay? Fresh ugu leaves. I'm going to wash and shred as well. So the next ingredients are onions, then ogiri, okay? Then salt. I also have seasoning cube here and pepper, okay? Fresh pepper. So here are basically the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this delicious ugu soup. So I'm going to start by putting the beef. Then next add chopped onions. Next, seasoning cube. Then salt. Give it a mix. So cook on a low heat for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we are going to add water enough to cook the soup. We are going to cover and leave to boil. Here is the crayfish and pepper, okay? I pounded it together. And here is the smoked fish. One more. This is the ogiri. So we are going to leave this to boil for like 7 to 8 minutes. So here is the cocoyam. What I'm going to do now is to add it in bits. So next, I'm going to add the palm oil. Then stir. So I'm going to cover and leave the cocoyam to dissolve completely. So as you guys can see, the cocoyam is completely dissolved and our soup has thickened, okay? So the cocoyam serves as thickener. Add seasoning cube, salt to taste. Guys, you're going to love this soup. Please try it out. You're going to love it. So the next thing we are going to add is the shredded Uziza leaves and the shredded Ugu leaves. So give it a stir. Our soup is almost ready. Cover and leave for 2 minutes. Guys, our soup is ready. We are going to remove from heat. And I'm going to be enjoying this with akpu, fufu. Guys, leave me a comment in the comment section. What will you be enjoying this soup with when you make yours? That's delicious. So guys, our delicious ugu soup is ready, as you guys can see. Oh, I'm salivating already, and I know you are too. Please make sure you try out this ugu soup recipe, and I know you're going to love it. Okay, people from the eastern part of Nigeria will be familiar with this soup. Okay, and you can as well try it irrespective of your tribe. And once you try it, guys, it's a promise you're going to love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.